Hello, hello, hello. This is for our workshop participants. I am so excited that you have registered for the upcoming 10K workshop, How to Enroll More Clients into Your Signature Offer. My name is DeKesha Williams, your webinar and business strategist. I am also your host for the upcoming workshop. Now, this is a quick video just to get you started and excited to show up for the next workshop. So do me a favor, first and foremost, please make sure that you are getting our emails, our reminder emails, our emails to get, kind of familiar with how to prepare for the upcoming workshop. If you have not registered for your pre-workshop call, you need what we call an acceleration call. You need to make sure that you get your acceleration call, but it needs to be scheduled before the first day of the workshop. All right. So really quickly, just a little bit about me. I have been in this entrepreneurship digital marketing space for 14 years. I left corporate America August 24th, 2011. I went on leave of absence and I'm still on leave of absence. All right. The only thing I can tell you is that I knew that I wanted to be present for both of my kids who are now 25 and 19. I know. So I have literally been on this journey. I started honestly with an online shoe company called sassyshoegallery.com. I moved into consulting where I was doing one-on-one consulting. I started actually teaching about business plans. And then I started learning webinars, and that was because I wanted to be home every night when my kids got off the bus. I wanted to be home every morning my kids got on the bus. And so I started to learn about this thing called webinars, but it allowed me to build a multiple six-figure, heading to seven-figure business from the comfort of my own home. All right, so remember, if you did do your acceleration call, three things. What are those three things? Be ready to show up, play full out, be on camera. It is 2 days. Listen, I'm giving my time. So if you registered, I'm expecting for you to be in the virtual building. All right. All right. So I'm going to give you a quick win. All right. And this is regardless of where you are in your business. I know some people say, well, I don't have an offer. It's all right. 9 times out of 10, you have a concept in mind that you do want to position in front of your ideal client. Yes or yes. All right. You wouldn't have hit that button if you did not have a concept in mind. So for those of you all that have a concept, and even if you have not validated, and we're going to talk about what does it mean to validate an offer in the upcoming workshop. So here's what I want you to do. On the workbook, it is high ticket offer framework, right? So here's the exercise that I want you to do. I want you to sit down before you come to the workshop, and I want you to look at the idea of the offer that you are going to put together or you already have put together. And I want you to sit down and list everything that is included in that particular program. And I mean, I just want you to do a total brain dump, right? Then, after you've done that total brain dump, I want you to do me a favor and I want you to put the value that the client is going to walk away with. And let's just say for those of you all that have already validated your offer, meaning you've already sold this offer, what are the top three things that your clients have given you a testimony or like giving you a rave review about it? And I want you to circle those top three things. Now, once you circle those top three things, I want you to switch your marketing up over the next 7 to 10 days. And I want you to put those top three things in your marketing, and I want you to add a zero to the offer. Y'all ain't ready to hang with your girl DeKesha Williams at the 10K workshop. That is just one little sample of what we're going to be doing inside the workshop. So until then, register for your acceleration call if you haven't. Make sure that you schedule your feedback, which we probably do on your acceleration call, and show up for the next workshop. My name is DeKesha Williams, your webinar and business strategist. Be passionate, be purposeful, but more importantly, be profitable. I'll see you next time.